ade ampa nyame yade o waye bi senyo no kan ye ho anka ye ntia enu me catch us say ye kohwehwe baby anu numuo pacho wa ho baby abi wo Modiana kope nunum ni bi ma me why kope bi ukunu nti wo de kope baby anunum ni bi wo eti ba modiana pe baby anunum ni bi wo pa ma me ba wo de anam de ya num ni nyina nti wo de na bonsuo bebre na me aya na me pese me sha se ye bibi fofra me sha se we no eye memedro na mbekire na watumi agiasa no Memedro from Monday. Joko bibi wo hotimi ye dia ye be kire wantimi anya dia ye be ka da fofo Channel Sumame say performance for men, a nutritional supplement for vitality, performance and the immunity. And so asini ya de that's it bit in bro Dickness Mary and Nasa Ma Mary Progress Savings and Loans Enkoswankwa King City Real Estate with the former 0508199625 Adebia Opato Bia Benyabia to home property Bia American Premium Furniture where quality sells. Life insurance, enterprise life insurance, your advantage. Abia Heba mixture, your true and authentic Heba medicine. Castor oil is more than just oil; it is liquid engineering. Amin Scientific Clinic, Allahu Shafi God is the healer. Dr. Sheikh Amimbo, good morning. 2013 June Tama Anapintini Echikwam Angelo this year adopted strategy Boba Bobo the Bifri Kumasi Banka Miren Fida Pemma Bay Jumawa. One of them quite him. No, Hennessy, Munabu trans. Mamma, and this year, you know who you are. Your bomb at your mammy, I'm Rasa for him. What about to my head? I'm quite the other fourth. Coming for crazy. Much better ye. Mamma, be papada. But Sammy Penny knows your mamma, baby papa. Anande Adama ye na ye koda onkoja airport e ni encourage ye ntwan komo no so Banche bi o Love FM ho me refidity so general manager say bibi o airport where you come see oh and the yen kwa cry say no matter ticket ni show mo say that o mahunu say the ade ne kono enya de o meja maba ye adwuma no wa to paper to be the film na sign. I'm saying that sikana shem de munyi film impeska. Gani de minjai. We are not done person kodam ko free. Sorry, you am sesa me kom. You sikana film na me sign. That's why you come say ba ne here. You film. To me nya she what. Na di onyam no so we ba me ho so na. And no to me tap for pa. That hotel abame. But anyway, God has been good. Coming to Accra was not a mistake at all. Challenge was huge. Seriously, it has become small. So for the can share me some have first a prophet Amakwata. I am a sheni cabina, my shadow share slippers, been a t-shirt, been a what did I share them foot to yam and now I'm told. Man to be with you. I am Copobia by a morning show. We are my coffee between him, said, Zakwabi Palm, my coffee about your son at all. Courage to join him, sir. Kakasa. Prophet Amakwata, we preach you, Abasiako. Your friend say, see a friend could you reach? So, sir, the was and what's my father. Him said me. Hey, ought to be called a car. So for Shaman now, who to himself come to me. 2013, Amakwata mama 300 Ghana cedis. Make one or some friend no see a guy back up person money skeba senti or G50 fee. They come and save 250 Ghana. Maybe some said I better not be baba to have you. No, no, so catch. Chance be shame. So now Obama me kuya shows number 10 ha. Him some be Adom morning show. Share be no mommy 250 sauce there 500. A bar no pepper. The Tuesday then me share suit them baha. Abante na no say why here say coffee ni pa ba be morning show. Why? I say one am say ani. Me na me te ho na na o ka say e den what is I say I saw per one for some pe. Nimbo dinda. Meti nyamia ya de nyamia ya. Dim sana for the obi. What do I do? Month of time change me producer be. On this amike. Honorable Makela 7 sa good morning. But I know me poor me over call New Crystal Health Service. Mama ye juma enfie dunum nie. Mama tede omo ye na ase. Nti aba ne papa pa dia. E ho resese wo de wani kire. Pacho wani e ha waso e ha wo. Doctor say koye omoja mo hwehwe mu ana bra. Wo ye be ma wakofom ye sheda was special men's clinic ho. Wakoma bibia wo ho bia e be hwehwa ma x-ray ye be ye. Ye be miamia o kama pa ma wate apo. Ye wo herbal division so ho. Acupuncture ye be ya ma. To be some friend agro complete medical checkup over New Crystal Health Service. Yen yetesu okrumaha. 054-999-6399 or 050-714-49096. Yeben Community 5 and 6 traffic light behind Olam Senior High School opposite the Deeper Life Church, Watema Community 1. New Crystal Life Health Service, growing together in good health. Vodafone don't come in a course with 10 years. You be a boom 10. Would you have a answer for Vodafone phone and offer 135? Now what was so I enjoy this amazing offer. Roger Cleaning Services, good morning. Me who cost ni baby, me friend why? Star Assurance Company Limited say anope wo mumpe surprise bia emfa mpuntu omre wo. Enti de omo kan na se bo modia na be ka omo ho na fe omo ntimi mwa me fie ahye me store ahye me da ye say dabi. Obeka say ebushen hu a yebeboa we. Wo dey answer me for 0302 245 90628. Star Assurance, your solid partner. Oko Adom online obenya stories ni na kai wo ho. No wa follow us on Facebook why? Because say your friend Kwaku Jesse.
Adom FM.
Your friend Kwaku Jesse. Obeba Adom praise. Nana entry Hamilton Kahon, Sax Bossa, Willie and Mike, Max Praise, Kwame Manukuri, Elder Miracle, Any Eben. 31st August. Vodafone the Triator, the name day. YIL Money Plus, TBS Roofing Sheets, Bella Aqua, Dr. Caesarina Energy Tea, Amanak Real Estate, Franco Trading Enterprise, Vitamilk, Classic No Mosquito Coil and Spray, Escort Security Services, Goldman Capital, Big Boss Energy Drink, Papes Pizza, Polar Ice, NBF Gingerville Gel, Willet Investment, Kadiaka, Lusantil Tablets, Oba Spaghetti, Give us power and give us ice. Trelidor, Calipo, Tumibura, Eba Research and Clinic. Media partners in your precious TV footprint, TV, Sweet Melodies FM, Sunny FM, Spring FM, powered by Adom FM of the Multimedia Group.
Yes, sir. That was it. Amen.
Friend Kwaku Jesse. Zoatem, a new and effective anti-malaria. Yashada ye wunti. Wo ma bukunu wo yere babusha for onamfofo ina. Mama malaria na wo huni na timi afiri hama. Tabapo Healthcare Limited and a credro yi e by omo tema community 25. Our Health Plaza Dynamo hona. 020-431-0031 or 055-000-5363. Zoatem, your family friend against malaria. But your kwesiada ebe. Ewo the Fantasy Dome, Ewo Trade Fair, and a Glow Laughter Festival ebe baso. DKB or Basketball or Bovi or Gordon or Foster Ramos or Jacinta or Chemical or Sailor or Dundee Humorous or Senator and Afi Salvador Womina or Homi. Would you obey and say Obaquape a Glow SIM card? You are dial *5301#. As well, making sure say 20 Ghana and 30 Ghana credit to photos for chat calls, for browsing, for sending text messages. We'll take it in now. Glow Mega Shows, Ultimate Grovanganza. Joy FM back to school fair no ebebaso. 7th to 9th September 2018. El Providence Event Center, adjacent to Auto Cheers. Ewo Trade Fair. La. Open one Sababu Safra 0540106466. Pastor JK Owari. Nani atonsu sofo. Uko mankasi monso. Yaminka. Eti say akra. Okay, afeye di kwa krata no ni ti ni kon abatwe ne na APOSO ba. Obrempon junior prophet o ha. Pony or him as a chua, what you are calling. So come maybe next week. You live in film calendar. The newspaper I can't away to Zobia to go to exams. Why? Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. 26 minutes to strike 8 hours GMT. Can't wait to you. And then come show Juana.
What's that?
Come show Juana. Because I said the prophet is 7 number.
Oh, Debbie. Now, cap a apostle 7 and 9. No many adjunct. So, who future on represent. Why you who are you? I said that this guy who you know who you are.
Who you are. Yes,
that is the man.
The last time I buy Adom, it's not
a one.
I'm called the chain. That was a patron. Me. I say, what I'm saying. That I was Adom so be shared. No person who baby I may ban said the hotel.
Exactly.
Timmy Shedder. Or say, and also,
and you're bad.
And also, Prophet about Minja with him board that. I'm Jow.
Sana no the birthday nanu.
Michelle Mama. Sana me aware.
Over Sunday ne megano.
The Sunday the end
and also warriors to 20 years in until anniversary na shishima.
Elina befra. E be the same bibino. But Prophet e be twa nsuo wa nti fatade me nubra.
Me machine bottres yo.
Ti esra wa we de ye bon kai ansa trouble atonwo. So for me Mavis manatade ba ko nka ho. You twa nsuo ni wi a na wasesa. No assist. Why you may kiss your bride? Say why ya che or no kiss you may you da. Until Sunday, so for you kiss your bride Mavis 20 years. You better had it. You said there's a kiss you here. Prophet Amakwata.
He's a good man to follow. Oh yeah,
Superman. Such a don't say Richard for than him.
Next week. Boss pa.
There be next week.
So what is pa for Frano? 1, 2, 3 near DBA playing woman say or him be that son. Until you free.
Oh, there be.
No, may train. None him so about damn ya. Jay
for strategy. Say go for back the first reshuffle or into two cobo say ya. And go for say Azar reshuffle. They follow you with.
Sentence we shall Felipa.
Oh, yeah, reshuffle you are not playing no Australia. I'm friend of him, so she who says so she Fadipada.
Be more JJ. It be more young CD. CD come near Duomunam. And you can't have me. So, ambassador.
Oh,
I say,
and a seminar.
Cabinet Minister, and
no way in two. I think we are friend to
or quite.
I confirm sign.
Or straight. And I'm saying, the way Italy no sober.
Oba Eastern region. regional minister from Boga to home. And I'm sorry, no passport.
And the Flagstaff so shake up a bit next week.
And see,
oh, then go for cancer.
Ebesi.
No fast for the bible.
And Kayapa.
Mofaso for no more doors so hard.
Family and friends.
With
the name is Rano Pam, my spouse, Makai me call a Bremojes, now me bought table tennis.
Share. That's a
oh, me bo meet me could chase cabo. Be meant me, I'm one mammy, my aunt Fanny, and when you be my man taught table tennis table and craving your here at all. Oh, Mam's car me a minibi. A ton say. They come more, I be near be. Nyabe
17,000
3,000 ebenya biata
3,000 cities. Ya poko to
rack na ni bibia
bibia
account na bibia is set
3,000 30 million. Okay, no problem. Yeah, beto ni yabo
asampa na kono
yeah beto ni yabo wa bra cement bag 30 Ghana me yi 3,000 me 100 damedi atwa da ba kono so hwe ya mankra mehwepo kan ne fi kuma se mehwepo ya go
as mama yo mama chibio e bas de bonkata aba no emunsam ne animu no ena yede so Ghana nsam ba ena ehu ayesa Ghana nsam akwa esa osama obubu ba na ehu onye bubu wie nye hu bio esme bubo ba na no no afede mu adwo yesi shekapo ba Ghana fo ani age a ministers ne dos dodo because so can ministers ba nan akatua bomu a edru mikroma birikaso a ho ba esa buruchiri edru otroka amanfo ani beje afe ye kokote ya yese eye dame ene ye bonso obi anche akroma bi ampiem enti amanse ya adwojo na wodi nipa makomako enum foni ne ba ha Ora Mustafa Abdul Hamid Inner City and Zongo Development Minister no ene wabe nipa dada e wo sa so e ho ye de ne kom mampani aso e yese oye Minister of State e wo ho boye Ora John Peter Amewu Energy Ministry na ekwa akɔhye yewura ejakwanan otiko afisa jaba yesi afedi ambassador Italy baba ye
we ni film anye you
adenti ye na anya me den na anya me ya so obo adwuma fa de nipa bia ni wono mo so chen se wuntumi nya wadwuma e betimi ye be ma wako nti eno de e bia yi na ye
we African politics
vice president create me bi ora kwadwo opan kroma ya ye nua be ma on the ye information minister
Identity and
journalist okro mo ya bias so
identity and general na bibisa mi
we ho sade we afre they o kan na vo ko jo fo ko eyo sana mo tensi
competency
okay
ene ye enye bias na ntafo mienu da yefuni yakopon ka so odo ba ko chiri ba ko
ayo
Mrs. Cynthia Mami Morrison minister designate gender children and social protection Mr. Wukwe school feeding no wani nko ho ade hia me pa no ko ya to na saram for some time now school feeding program ye nhwe nkwala na aduane a de ma wo mo no
na ba na kra yentu omuka
ntini ani abere waso ye ho na nanka ye ya bosa ye sebo na ye dede sini no ya hwede abena ne de na nkosini nkon enti Mrs. Cynthia Mr. Ba wo bai ma wani nkwala na aduane no ye be ye school no free na wanya aduane papa na mampani eso ho da ye Ghana ahyehya to wo se de ma omo na ene na aboane ntakra ne ma ne ye kase ntakra bone de afanyina nkatere kwa enti ensisa ye ba ye no ye toto omo no ye duadua omo no de bokata ne de ba Hamid Kozongo yes ono de obi ahu ye so no kwa no obekonya me na ye adwam na kunya be for France
come ya ho no
come ho no
we because president was not misled as
Perry Swaba Perry Aba deputy sports minister e ho no mo she some ministry ho no iti Perry congratulations nyankopon kan ho no ma untinti Madam Cecilia Dapa ono so ko sanitation and water resources say Mr. Adade o ka kire mo se ono wa mepra onye bola minister enti ayese mampani ayi ne flo no ko aviation
madam na do form no mo ya adwuma ti sisi beye
ti nyame ya adom ama sisi aba ndo yo ba so de okura praye
eno a no
Ye
sisi beye
ada de alupre ho ana no obebo
sisi na na competent enye oba bia ni kura pa
no be me bi so no am
oba bia wa bon
oba bia ba I was say
ba me anu say anti sisi ye adwuma wa bia shipa ne ye tuna fro I mean jama ne ye bibi kakra
ada gu ministry no
of course
any ministry
enti
ba de okọ anu ankoto ma me die su papa bia na abregu
ho no wo mo ho nyo on say aviation for no mo ho nyo sa o
ba na ma me ne yade
me ne boy djuma pa
na sisi boy djuma ho but manam be boy on sanitation na Ghana anye fe kakra kro no my time
yeah oba boa wa ye bi waja ni din wo waja good mark omra hanso so no
papa we call officer for proposal bra say the be say sabola na ya chro bra oba frame meetings oba kosa
na ono ade new ministry na ni sika kode
sika ko na ministry be ni sika
yo wo na krata fe to so dumi ensan sem bi wo ho hia me pa minim se hia Ghana fo nsusu nyina wo se awofo nhwe yie kwan ye fa so ma ye ma ehu ye daja so sa kwada ni oba so ye be ma so ye awofo oba na so be ma o bedroom ma enye baby a ehọ nye easy se nkwala no be ba esan so ta yi hu wo ho wo ta ye niam bi a eni kwan se nkwada hu we ye afutu a emu odu a wode ma enkwada tie chief director your Ministry of Defense Dr. Evans Jukum and was say enkwada ehuhu wo mo awofo wo mu system penifo mbra penifo da just no mo ye used to wa ro ho kro timi wram sa se ohwepo no a ana obi eyi na daja so a onsuro ne yamu nhye no
na daja yi so ese osuro
yes oya kwala enti na nkwala bi ho a ye to omomo na
otimita na ni ana so onsuro
nyabotre ye tie ye wo akwada ehusa pani awro no ho a e wo sa ne yam hye no enya yam hye se ye di hunahuna akwada no akwada e wade akwada hu ne e wodi onhu no se oya kwala no Uma ne maame da bia woro ho ho ne papa woro ne ho ho nti no onhunu ade bia ya soronko sa pani awro ne ho enti se nipa bone ni bi ene akwada no wura dem na owro ne ho a akwada ne nhunu
anu so anya ne papa
to da bi akwala ya akwala
well
akwada ya akwada
well advice
o tu for say
amedia me ne modika mpu ni dware
enye
ndo da no anyway advice but
I would disagree but advice here
I mean that
that's no wepo no a
me ntiase
ohunu he enya wontiase ya bo ankwada no se wo wontiase mpo na ebe ya mankwala na ye mo
ankwala be ya
no da jano ni bi akwara no ni da jano bi
ntiase nso agidi
ankwala be ya
nkwala ya wo mo no
ono ale maami no hwe a oy e no mdare o
enya emwa nkwada no wo parent no emma kwada ni hu se de be ya obe used to say me de mahu ohu enti ye hu a enya hwe no opani esre se de be ya ye ma no ebe hunu hia se so
so ma me yembo wait ye the Professor Ransford Jampo emmo enkomo pe ewo ye Richard ho prof mpacho temi nka me mo cha no pay
yeah
pacho na te say
oh boko ye home kakra bibia e wo bia machi si ba Adom FM
prof eja on say presby so pani bi busa say nyansafo mu wo hen ti say locate bia empese be jamu
oh bebe wo
enti ye locate busa empese be jamu sa na je no mu ana kon kakra sa shake up kakra bia ba me hu say ye major say semio say minor who is saying?
Oh, I'm not making time with internet also. I say my dream on a year strategic company I information and I must gender ministry no. Information not did that DBA minim say me no waka ho asem da. Aban no to me embo anas embo ono ankasa eniema papa omoye no muntimi mbo ho dewuru papa ema amanfo entiase enti de bia na me ya ka se vice president no amount of platforms or share a buying same one na utumiye say information for nina enti na many da kwan say ombeye nsesa ewo hokaka na enti na enye mo say omaye bibisa. I think it's a strategic change and no and I feel we gender ministry no so na man for kasa wo say asa ma me ne mesana enema on so papa metete nkofo bebre na omo kasa sa semsana on so papa na fame say right from the vetting no enema bi akokọ so na amanfo I feel say a power say Australia so as I say yes answer we Australia to na say we serve omo tene kasa na mo na ase onyanti asiesa enti ono honso so na menum say mtse betimi aba ho sound ye asye mieni na me feel say and of course energy so and say papa na omo yi no omo de foforo assign na etwa se de onipa foforo ekohwara wo hwe sane Peter Mewu wodi juma ewo the fight against illegal mining na se for na am feel say omampeni any da kwan say obetumi de sa ahoden no papa no sustain your energy sector MSM dada no etu anamo. I mean, let's be fair say papa no omuyi no anya kra no otumi agina homa dumso na eto akofom etwa kakra na say akofom ana say etwa ana say bisa ntino okonfo boni awatena yare for hono say wonim sa ebe no.
That's right.
Ntino yeyi no na and so see a kase bia wanye hwe kra me so bo no homoden kakra me se nema na afa na she kakra but here will be so with me sustain and also be improved the gains made in the sector, and I believe say Peter will given the pedigree na fe adia we should say obi to me aye adia why mining a sector hono that is obi to me aye proactive or another strategic sector energy into me saying that media me nkae de mean to me and say as papa the reason why changes akokoko but it been making time for comments we be been say extra and pointless even for say more yen to me and on my penny as say ye ni trim but I say it na fe ye de so Emma no so say ono na ye de oman no ahye nsa na onim bibi o pese ode oman no ko na ono na of course onim obia wa steady obia na onim kofo na ye adwuma na onim ni obi betumi aye na ne obi entumi nye enti no yemfasa madwimu no yemfasa the fact that yentiase no does not mean senia why no sebe adwene ananyansa biara enim yentumi nkansa sanso no edema na hyenansa nasofo enti no mechanical some of the changes no mementiase minyaya ankankofu bi wo hokra anka ye reshuffle ne obia ne reshuffle sese otna beimo enyu bia na reshuffle so otna but we don sha say obia ya teche mo bia nyi we ye fi an edo akọ ye fi an edo akọ mentiase but like I said no o mampeni so ne di to me ashanansa no nim say even do contrary to ye ibinum adwen say ibinum say ye mu fi abem na sefo no nim say well we so say in the film na mo me na she ha all about so and na sefo enti yemfasa I will say let's give him the benefit of the doubt so na okita to me no omo aye dwuma no na onim say na ombetumi aboa no ekosi afa yemfasa asem so ntudwa say I think say omampeni ne abai no watch ewo reshuffle why you know said them said January crown na minim sa wokro bisa me say what to say be reshuffle na why na e be na so sometimes it is uncommon of it and so watch na we reshuffle which advantage I want to say a manipa no etumi di edwuma no ekosi mpempenso bi na fi eyi ehun a reshuffle at the ban eyi fi for obi wo ha ye be reshuffle na mo hu a de ba nti no bo say instead so be ye edwuma no na de bia no mo na mo mampeni aso e ho ko pachew ana so mo de nkofo ko na adwe na aya na si be ni nti de bia na onya ho de no ntumi mfantena ho nye edwuma no papa de bia na anxiety na se for but em say o mampeni reshuffle metumi aka say ache kakra nti no ama yehunia obia betumi aye na esese obi tena ho ayehu se so tena ho na ensese otena so am sure se wo se ensese otena na se for generally no em say ma drink kakra me wo efa reshuffle no ho no ne bibia na ye betumi ase enti esese ye de sa ebu no ema omampeni na fe nso so no ne ran so me hu ya me sure to ho bibi no se yeah, omampeni fa enkofo no all fa ministers no oyade bia na ebinsi e wo Ghana Fourth Republic mu da o magana fo nyina akomato miem na fo o chreche ni ntia o fa asuafo no nyina nti obo we din a no a chese we oyese de dibia de se wayese edwuma da nti no me fo se obetumi aye minim se Captain Smart okaya
me kai pa
o chechiro mu nyina se nti no se we bi binsi da nti ema okura se wunim nipa na esa the brief history and as a biography bia o mampeni backing kan about the person no the ema wo hu nipa kro no so initiative as say o mampeni mfo nyina nti na me san expect say reshuffle o mo so no no so no kwan bi so ne betumi afa kwan bi so a chechim say we ebia na wayese enti ne yeyi no ana do na kwa ana se force hamuago ba fe empen bebre no reshuffle ye chechim betia na ne kan say the prerogative of the president to appoint and to reshuffle or to sack massiful in chechim say ne in my power fear by explaining the reason why my appointment no in future say utumi efa kwan bi so kire kakra me bi no so ti ase say okay bibia ya adwuma ya kesene no we send ne do na kwa ha it aids the quest for greater transparency in governance.
Prof sir wo hwe ne ye critically ya te say bi beba next week dia no nyamba ye so what the way e kan ho dia na chese number na increase from 110 to 112 cause ya the mame ba because ye openi Boniface a free zongo and inner city development no Hamida akwhye ho ene ye de ono asa ko office of the president as minister of state mame ba ko so ye de ne ko minister of state at the office of the vice president. It's in just a 2 akoka 110 I 112.
Debbie, mame ba ko na fiance oba aben mu. Minister de na. Yen kan ni no because me as I say utimi hu say obi foforo na de na bem ba me de me ka say mkof omo na dia reshuffle omo.
But na nanka ye 110. It is anka omu free mu dia nanka ministry bi ani ho because minister of state and the vice president when na nya ministry bi a bibisa ani ho dada na bi eyi obi ho na ye na akoto na ye nipa foforo akwhye nanan
reshuffle no em say nkofo bebre me so class na many da kwan say anka ye bete the size of the government no so I mean senka obete so kakra na mampeni aye nema bebre a eche say era utienia omanfo eka Abubakar so a listening president na obehwe ade baako a yaka ho asem aka no the size of his government ebinsi e wo Ghana's Fourth Republic da and yaka ho antinanka meka se reshuffle obe consider saying here can the size of government and its impact or effect on the public person and so him say we still ano one fine ejuma him say enya dia eboa papa the battle is still the Lord's okono ye nyankopon ko okono ni ewade ko a ngin de say we here a big size government na ode ako na so for nti e be koso ase say okobe bia womo e develop bia amanya efife wo development mu bia no omote kitwe bi nipa kitwe bi ena ede eye niama bebre won a eye 1992 constitution no omo adwemu no omo se yehia em se the cabinet ministers 19 na se hia em se yehia be na nipa 19 enti madwemu no ye ministers a ye pese ye ne omo ye adwuma no ankomo so 19 because cabinet ministers are powerful ministers ono mo dwe oman no ho niama sese ye ne bibia enti inka yedu 19 na aye abroso ye pese ye di nipa ne bika ho no kra nanka after 19 ye be say 10 regional ministers ye pese ye di omo eka ho a nanka ye di omo so mpo aka ho nanka 29 enye sa so ye pese ye improve decentralization na senia omampini din ka kan ye be ye direct elections of MMDCs if you are electing MMDCs na say regional ministers no kra wan hwempo aka hompo enkohia anase bibisa intina aya maximum 20-25 which means woman pepe with career tenure tracked experienced and more well qualified civil service the civil service and administrative machinery of the state one na ebitumi ede insisaya omampani asese no ayen egu akwan mu no ma implement public policy na so for inti civil service no ye na edwuma yie papa obomu senkasua for no kan ye hia no dodo okra ukọ countries are believe in coalition government na so for to say Italy na so for when the coalition breaks down the civil service alone is able to run the nation for about 3 months without government. Not just say civil service in Yejuma, young try see Bema or my Yejuma, young Kasa and they are politicized civil service. And to say MPP for bad, they don't trust them. NDC for bad, they don't trust them. And as for my appointed a lot of ministers and as for at the end of the day, the civil service pretends to be working and government also pretends to be taking note of what they are doing and be paying them. But we will say if you man sankasa and some we'll see they are special assistants for the advisors and as for the various ministries national bon some for na ma edwuma papa bia de dindin bi ene it's a bigger problem as a nation. The solution to reducing the size of government lies in we trying to strengthen the administrative machinery of the state civil service. So see a strength omo ye omo na so mo ye dwuma ya aban bia ba obey comfortable say oni omo ebe ye dwuma omra ye politicize omo nso.
Prof Medasepa BBS HM Sato Safrio. Professor Ransford Jampo now to 7-0
yeah, what trip so tetena ye ayi chronicle ni na chronicle no dia bo che Ghana Revenue Authority mpani for che se omba be che hwemu ma paase ewo ensore ahodo binom ene asofo binom abrabom na o ma se tax kura so mutuatua tax sense om se ensore bebre ho eno be kono na ka bi esi anim hanye ka ketoa na me ye we ye ton yire ye ton show ye ton handkerchief ye ton ayi bese nyina no wo se ye dwade no mudie na nka oyo kura ko market supermarket ye 5 cities 8 cities no ukoko na so dem 50 cities 200 cities eno watch say we say a business eno ntino omde wani besi no man hwehwemu mapana fe mate asi asore no binom ene asofo no binom a ombehwe se saa de nyina eto ebetwa ehun sem ha
wonim say asofo na ewo mu kruma no emufa almost spiritual mental problem
minyawe
this most of them was spiritual mental problem
the indraso
omonya correct
yenko
omonya correct
in presa
now we Ghana revenue omache ese egu nsore wo krum ha wo asobi e your classroom bi ese yi free ho
okay
and wo almost wo mate bible schools na wo so wo training asofo omfree obi aso na be bota abon kom fita no apam kala bi ahye so
another topic and they must yet tamaso my
we go be 14,000 churches e Ghana
okay
and also mfa so bi ene so
okay okay ai Christian Council for the saying onum kire se ende no omo susu se enkofo a omo ye nhwe ha tena ho e ma banks makoma nso ne yesesa bre no omo sika se ma ye basanti ya je nyina aka bo ma ye consolidated no ye we se mpanifo no da no nyina ne de be famra kwan so na emra no madi no mahu se omo amankofo nso abre ho nsem e wo ha no gay marriage in Ghana mampani na adodan kokufu ado ne at long last the battle is wrong arches wo dia tuja o chimtre se enya de se woni na ban ana simple odi se Ghana ni bia mpo begya tum se yenko yese gay emetena kurimu a ene ho nsem so opani no wode ebi aba 220 the we no the chronicle on pay wode nsem binom akeke ka ho a wode aba
ene na delegate ni ene o se munyan se de bia mu gina matina medu na bobo anu amo panic no na ene ka cha corrupt officials nipa yesusu se wo mo di dream na wo mo asem akwakodru special prosecutor matina medu animu a wo mo di chopa ene nam se enkonko pa chew no enu achi as o se na drops otiko in cabinet reshuffle na so amaso sa minim de ntia delegate dampa watu achi sa na drop otiko afisa jaba e say waye bogawati wo kwa akohwe enuanu mu a wo Italy no wono ene kwa kwesi Ghana man anamu ewo nto president angasa wati Ghana for wo president ene otiko afisa jaba afa enu achi no say Midland Savings and Loans adwuma yefo bi omo ya miensa ene ya bo omo kwa adu asese nyame ya adom ama yema wo mu bill ewo ha Frederick amano post ni na wono na no okura NDC de hwe obitiri mu okura chine de hwe obitiri mu no eno na asem ha Men's Gold enso aba be sign it say asam precious minerals and penny for ebe kan fa wo mo ho say na wo mo license cry revoke in 2014 and na wo mu ni tumi bia no wo mo boada wo mo say when they say obi ntimi trading in commodity eno ho asem do bokrata yi e de aba SMP and na wo de ba na NDC for year wo UK so atwede pupo UK Ireland chapter NDC nkrabata na ho no say nya hankwa na enyoye and na fe ya say one year bo mo kwa bisa wo mo wia fertilizer ye de kwa peti afudie so planting for food and jobs no yes nipa ye bo no kwadu ni din e ba ya ni solo susu ye ja no enti say fertilizer no em say evaporation etuko wiem ene ne moto nyina ye hu nipa wo wiaye
na the Ghanaian Times in we won't legalize homosexuality page 17 Ghana mampani and wode atudwa na Men's Gold dismisses PMMC's claims of illegal gold trading beto dwa say Men's Gold ye bom so bo ye panimfo a Ghana ye sika sem so de tudwa say Ghana for hwe hu yi e was Men's Gold for modmu de no eno maba be ya no chese enye sa ne te no mu ye adwuma kanya e won sem aye se no no krobofo won mo aye ye kire demonstration kase bi e de atia se environmental university campus ne ye de kwakosi obunsu no mo ntiase sanse won ho ena ka ye hyehye ne se ye de ba be si ndi ye twa yi kotomo ade free wo manum government appointees agencies were consulted on new Ameri deal parliamentary energy committee na chimche se wura bwa cheja ko enyo no kwa ne tena ne dem e de WhatsApp yes Ameri deal no oni mpanifo bebre ka ho a omo che se attorney generals for ne VR for eni mpanifo bebre o consult wo mo a ne ehon sem e dia ba enyen
woni me ye nhihye se me sign na mansan ya ye nhihye
se wo sign
na mansan ya woni ma ye nhihye
enyen nhihye
ya da ne ye ho aba simple
Eko na kotodwe ne akrante pa na ugu dwa ne so se nyaska se